Welcome everyone! Today's video isn't just another English lesson. It's your complete English speaking transformation journey. We're going to fix something that no one ever explained before. The real reason you can understand English, but still struggle to speak English fluently and confidently. By the end of this video, you'll look in the mirror and say, "Now I get it. Now I know how to train my mouth to speak English naturally, like a real communicator." So stay with me till the end, and don't forget to subscribe, because this video could be the most powerful turning point in your English learning journey. Let me ask you, how many English speaking practice videos have you watched? How many grammar rules have you memorized? How many hours have you listened silently, hoping fluency would come? But when it's time to talk, your mouth freezes, your tongue shakes, your mind goes blank. It's not because you're bad at English. It's not because you're not smart. It's because your mouth has never been trained. That's the secret no one ever told you. You've been learning English with your eyes and ears, not your mouth. You've been studying English, not speaking it. Here's the truth. English speaking skills are not only in your brain. They're in your lips, your tongue, your jaw, your breath, and your rhythm. Until you train those, you'll always feel stuck. But today, that changes. Because this isn't another boring grammar video. It's a real spoken English transformation journey. You don't need perfection. You don't need a British or American accent. You don't need expensive spoken English classes. You only need 5 minutes a day, the right English fluency training, and the courage to sound like a beginner. Because that's how real fluency begins. This is the video I wish I had years ago. The truth your English teacher never told you, and your chance to speak English confidently, fluently, and naturally. Let's begin your transformation. Part 1. The truth nobody told you. Today's not about learning grammar. It's about transforming how you speak English. For years, you've been told that grammar, vocabulary, and listening are enough. But here's the truth nobody told you. Your mouth is untrained. You've memorized rules, practiced silently, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. Because your brain knows English, but your mouth doesn't know how to move like an English speaker's. Fluency isn't knowledge. It's movement. It's rhythm. It's muscle memory. Just like athletes train their bodies, fluent speakers train their mouths. Until you train your mouth, jaw, lips, and tongue, you'll never feel confident. That ends today. This is not another lecture. It's a wake-up call to stop studying English and start speaking English confidently. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need an accent. You need courage. The courage to sound like a beginner, so you can be fluent later. This is the truth of English fluency your teacher never told you. This is where you stop learning and start living English. Part 2. Train your mouth, not just your mind. Listen carefully. English is not code. It's not just grammar and vocabulary. It's sound. It's rhythm. It's emotion. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, you must train your mouth, not just your mind. Most learners think too much and speak too little. They understand English perfectly, but when it's time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because their tongue and lips are trained in their native language, not in English. So here's the secret. Train your mouth like an athlete trains muscles. When you say a sentence, feel it. Don't sound robotic. Say, "I'm happy to be here," with energy, rhythm, and expression. That's real English speaking practice. You're not memorizing, you're feeling English. You're not translating, you're living the emotion. Try this. Speak like an actor, not a student. Actors don't memorize, they become the words. Say, I can't believe this happened, 3 times. Excited, angry, nervous. You'll notice your energy shift. Practice in front of a mirror daily. Exaggerate your mouth movement. This is how you build English pronunciation skills and natural speaking flow. Because fluency isn't fear, fluency is feeling. Part 3. Create mental shortcuts. Automatic fluency. Your brain loves shortcuts. It doesn't want to translate. It wants to react instantly. Most learners think in their language first, then translate to English, and that kills fluency. So here's the solution. Train your brain to think directly in English. The this means that method. When you hear, let's catch up sometime, don't translate. Feel the meaning. A friendly invitation. When you hear, I'm starving, sense hunger instantly. That's English listening and speaking practice. Emotional, not logical. You're training your brain for automatic fluency. Use sticky notes. Write English on one side, emotion or image on the other. Watch movies. Feel each line. Don't translate. You're not building vocabulary. You're building fluency triggers. Soon, you'll speak English automatically and naturally without translation. That's the secret of real communication skills in English. Part 4. Combine emotion, voice, and movement. Want to know how to improve your English speaking skills fast? Use your body, emotion, and voice together. Speaking English isn't about standing still. It's about energy and rhythm. When you move, your confidence rises. When you use gestures, your meaning becomes powerful. When you express with emotion, people listen. That's what great speakers do. They perform English, not just speak it. So from now, move your hands, lift your chin, and speak with presence. Say, I can do this with power. I'm tired of being silent with emotion. I'm ready to speak fluently with belief. This is how you build English communication skills and confidence. Because emotion, movement, and voice are connected. That's the science of English fluency training. You're not just training your mouth, you're training your presence. When emotion meets movement, your English becomes alive. Part 5. Repeat, 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 but smartly. Repetition builds fluency, but only when done right. Most learners repeat sentences like robots. I'm going to the market. No emotion, no purpose, no growth. Here's the smart way, the speak like a human method. 5 stages of smart repetition. 1. Slow clarity repetition. Say it slowly. I don't know what to say. Feel your mouth move. 2. Flow repetition. Say it naturally. I don't know what to say. 3. Emotion repetition. Say it sad, happy, excited. 4. Pressure repetition. Say it fast, under stress. 5. Real-world repetition. Use it in real situations. Job interview, romantic talk, funny moments. This is shadowing English speaking practice, American-style fluency training that connects rhythm, voice, and reaction. When you do this daily, you stop memorizing and start owning English. You'll speak English confidently and clearly, anywhere. Part 6. Your transformation begins. You've made it this far. Now it's time for action. You've learned how to train your mouth, create rhythm, emotion, and confidence. But now comes the real question. Will you just watch, or will you start practicing? Transformation happens when you decide you've had enough. Enough hesitation, Enough fear, enough silence. Start small. Pick one technique, mouth training, shadowing practice, emotion speaking, and do it every day. Record yourself. Listen, correct, grow. That's how you improve your English speaking skills fast. Because English isn't just a language. It's an identity. The way you speak reflects how you see yourself. When you speak English fluently and confidently, people respect you, believe you, and remember you. So from today, stop saying, "I'm learning English." Start saying, "I'm training to be fluent in English speaking." Because that's exactly what you're becoming. A confident communicator, a fluent speaker, and a voice that connects with the world. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Every sentence you say, every mistake you correct is progress. So speak, train, transform, because when you change your voice, you change your life. If you're ready for this journey, subscribe to our channel and follow every practice video. Together, we'll build your fluency, step by step, until you can proudly say, "I speak English confidently, clearly, and naturally."